Bet I can pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share, starting in 3, 2, 1. Who won?
At the Dollar Tree, and I thought it looked like a Pop-It, so I thought maybe I can make it into a Jolly Rancher lollipop. I melted all the colors in the microwave for about 30 seconds, let it cool, and took it apart, and it fell apart in pieces. This was such a waste of time. Do not try this at home. Follow for more.
Shopping at Learning Express. Gobbles. Types of simple dimple. Random fidgets. The Pop-It game. OMG DNA balls. A huge Pop-It, but it's expensive. Maybe next time. More random fidgets Lola. Haul when I get home.
I don't have a problem. 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 I don't have a problem.
Favorite place to buy Pop-Its and fidget toys. They have every shape and size, all kinds of simple dimples, fidget toys. Literally, they have the best prices. I could not believe that they had the large Baby Yoda, but I was so happy when I came across this unicorn. Which one do you think I got? Follow for more.
I have a fidget package. I'm so excited. Boost Fidget sent me another huge fidget package. They have the best Pop-Its ever on their website and some of the newest fidgets. If you want to get yourself an awesome fidget or one of these brand new Pop-Its, the link is in my bio. You can use the discount code FIDGETS for 10% off your purchase on Boost Fidget's website. Let's start with the smaller Pop-Its. These octopus Pop-Its are so insanely cool. Look how cute they are. And you can even pop the tentacles. I love the color combinations too. It just flips. Next, we have these really cool star fidget spinners. I love these. You can pop them and spin them. Plus, they are super easy to fidget with. These mini Pop-Its are so pretty in pastel. These are adorable. And they would make a super cute keychain. Come back for part.
Rare, exclusive, limited edition charm bracelet.
Huh? Pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share, starting in 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, what is this?
Garage sale where you can buy and trade fidget toys. Do you want to trade anything or buy anything?
I have a couple things to trade.
Okay. What do you have?
I have this pineapple Pop-It.
No, I already have a pineapple Pop-It. Sorry.
Okay. Okay, well, I have a butterfly Pop-It.
Oh my god, I don't have one. Deal.
Okay.
You can pick whatever you want.
Okay. I want the SpongeBob Pop-It. Wow, I also have a Pop-It case.
What? What do you want for it?
I want 3 Pop-Its and a dimple.
Okay, fine. Here, 1, 2, 3, and a dimple.
Okay. And I want to buy the jumbo Pop-It.
Everything's $1.
Okay, here. And we're still giving fidgets away to random followers.
We have a lot.
You know what I'm waiting for. She shot me 1 time. She shot me 2 times.
in 3, 2, 1.
This is my fidget. This is my follower's fidget. And this, well, this is my...
Shopping at Learning Express. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Oh my gosh, I literally need this. This is the cutest thing ever. You bet it is. Stop, these are so cute. Oh, we need these in our life. I need all 5 of these. We just saw these on TikTok. They are literally so fun. They're popping. Oh my gosh, I literally love these. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. They're so cutie. Oh my gosh. But wait, there's more. Oh my gosh, they have pop tubes. Oh, I'm so excited. Wait, why are these so cute? It's pineapples. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Oh, I just love these. This is a need.
Go fidget trading with my dad again. These are my fidgets. And these are my dad's fidgets. I'll trade this marble mesh.
I'll trade you this marble mesh without the stripes.
Ooh, nah.
2 marble meshes.
Yes.
Stress ball of balls. It makes a satisfying sound.
Wacky Jack and 2 monkey noodles?
They don't make any sound.
Fine, I'll take away these. And I'll add this. It makes a nice sound.
Let me see. Yeah, I like that.
Okay. Surprise fidget trade. Trade what's in my hand.
Got it. Bulldog.
Oh, yes!
You scored. Silent but deadly. Panda mochi.
It is silent, but I don't see how it's deadly. But it's cute, so I'll do a fidget spinner, bike train, and acupressure ring.
You got it.
Yes. This awesome Rubik's Cube.
Double puzzles.
Yeah.
Fidget claw machine.
Let's go! Are you ready, Ma?
Yes.
You only have 3 seconds. Go! 1, 2, 3! What did you get? Oh, what did you get?
I got a Mickey Poppet.
Oh my
And a
god!
Pineapple Poppet and a Swiss Ball.
Yay!
There's a lot of fidgets. Are you ready first?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Ah! You got nothing. My turn again.
1, 2, 3, go! What did you get? What did you get? Oh my
I
god!
got popping tubes. I got a butterfly poppet, a butterfly dimple, and a popping cake.